All right, so today we bring a surface mount for LED light. We have a square 2x2. We're gonna set it up, and these are the two ends, and they have different sizes, all right? And they include the screws along with the drywall. And we are gonna put it up there, guys. So we're gonna set it up, wire it up, and get it ready to go. So today we're just gonna set this up right now and see how fast we can get it up in there. First, I'm just gonna square it up right now and then load it up there. So, and make sure it fits on the LED light prior to setting it up there, because I don't want to go up there and waste my time. I just want to make sure that I prep it first, make sure it fits, all the screws are properly fitted, and then mark them up. Once I mark them up, I'm just going to drill them in with of course the drywall mounts. And we also have a stronger dry mounts that I bought for £2, but this is a lightweight LED light, so we're not gonna have problems with this. So let's go ahead and start it. And of course, they don't give you instructions. The instructions are in the box. It's funny here. They get the save paper and time. The instructions right here. Simple, simple, simple. No need to, be dramatic about it. They tell you exactly how to do it, how to set it up. So we're gonna do that right now and see how fast we can get it up and running. So let's go ahead and do that. Here we have a corner, all right? If you guys can see, I just made it with the actual bits. So that's a corner right there. These are gonna be for the ceiling mounts, all right? You're gonna get a couple of ceiling mounts additions, and they give you all the screws, including these. These go on the side brackets, all right? That's how you actually tie them up in there. If it's a little loose, maybe you wanna keep drilling a little bit more in so it could tie it up harder, the actual aluminum. So that's up to you. All the holes, and here we are, we're lining them up. Yep, we got them all. There. Just gonna set it up there. There's some wire, you send it up. All right, I got the square all the way. The light's flush. You guys can see it. Now let's plug it in. Let's power it up and see how it works. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, first time turning it on. We're gonna go ahead and crank it up. And there it is. Look at this. I got a mess right now, but it's because I'm actually cleaning up. But look how much light we have now compared to the other regular LED lights that I have. This is 100 times better. Illuminates the whole thing. It looks a lot, 100% workable. And this is for my workshop right here. I'm gonna finish up. So easy to install. I bought the square, made it 100 times easier with the square. Didn't have to drill too much. It's flush. I don't have to worry about hitting overhead. It's easy to install. I like it so far. I'm very impressed with it. I am going to buy more and maybe set them all up in here in this facility here. So very impressive, very easy to install.